Oh, there's quite the catch! Fling! The mermaid is all tied up! Wow. Come to me, sweetheart!
Who, me? Give me a kiss!
Whoa. You're not pretty! Hey! Ow! What even is this?
A shell! Anything in here?
Wow, 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 wow! Watch out! Our mermaid is getting sucked into the shell! Whoosh! The mermaid has emerged from her shell! Wow! Oh no, she doesn't feel too good! So much going on! Gotta pull that string. Might be from the fish hook. Here comes out everything the mermaid has ever ate! Oh no, it's stuck! Keep pulling! It's a giant fish! There, little buddy! Oh, check it out! A mermaid beauty box! First things first, a toothbrush! Look how cute! Lather some toothpaste on and some sprinkles, of course!
Now I gotta get to work!
Nice! Squeaky clean! Now, onto that pimple popper tool! Shiny!
Oh, what's this? Snot? Get that out of the way!
Let's zero in on these pimples and get to poppin'! Take that, Puss! And then that one! Oh, and that nose! The nose!
Yuck! Horrible taste!
And now we got the big one! The mother of all pimples! The mermaid will need some help from the toilet plunger! This will be no easy feat! But the mermaid is confident! Oh, wow! It was a little fishy on her face! So small and tasty! Inky! Looks like she's already digested. Ew. Get rid of that. Tongue scraper time! Let's get rid of all that gunk. Oof! Yikes! The gunk fell on Barbie's head. No matter, Barbie likes it.
I have a free mask. So nice.
Now it's time to deal with this unibrow. And this mustache. Let's see what our mermaid has to work with.
Waxing strips. They're the perfect tool.
And start to get real. Nice. The wax took off the ugly hairs. Mustache mermaid is now no more.
Ah! That burns.
Oh boy, we still have to do the pits. She'll use a sock to keep quiet this time. Such lovely silky pits now. Looks like mermaid has something in her ear. Yikes! So much seawater. This is the job for the ultimate earwax remover. Twist that in there and get to work. Do the twisty twist and get all that ick.
Yikes! So much earwax. Happy to be rid of that. Does it work for noses too? Awesome! I can breathe again.
Check out this picture.
How is it even possible for a butt to be that big?
Well, she's in luck. The beauty box has push-up panties. But because she's a mermaid, she'll have to do a bit of snip-snapping and crafting. She's gotten her tail through and… Bam! Look at her beautiful new booty! Where is mermaid going? Oh, she's got something in her hair! A seahorse? Yikes! Ooh, a bath bomb! Mermaid has thrown it in, and now we'll watch the wash.
Ah! I'm getting dizzy!
The machine has turned mermaid's hair blue!
Wow.
So pretty!
My hair is perfect, but what about my skin? I'll need to keep peeling all this skin off. There's so much! One final stretch. We got this! Achoo! Oh wow, look at this gunk! It's so full of slime! So stretchy! Could be a wonderful face mask. I feel so exfoliated and rejuvenated.
What's this? A fish caught in a net! Oh no, poor little guy! The mermaid can save him! She put him in the water to be free again! Now the mermaid can use the fishnet stockings for herself! It's the perfect way to apply makeup that looks like scales! Use the colors you like! Our mermaid went with pink and purple! Use the tights on your arms too! The effect is all fishy and cute! What else has the mermaid found? Oh no! The vacuum cleaner is sucking her lips in! Let's get it off! Wow! Mermaid lips are all juicy and plump. How lovely! I know, I can use the Coke bottle to help apply the perfect lipstick amount. Wow, what a stunner! So pink and shiny! The beauty box has more to deliver, like this awesome eyeliner stencil card. This one is perfect for Mermaid. Matches her sea life theme. Just apply the eyeshadow color you like within the stencil, and when you're done, lift. Add the sparkles above and little pearls on the side. Nice.
Oh no, my tail! It's covered in muck! This just will not do.
But we are too blessed to be stressed. Plus, we have an electric brush on deck. Check out how it spins so fast. What an awesome tool! Adding the shaving cream and you've got a whole deep cleaning session. Feels so good to scrub a dub-dub. Wait, what's that on her tail? Maggots? Mermaid has to take these off ASAP. Good thing she has some handy-dandy chopsticks to get the job done! Now all she needs is her cute chopstick holder. Place them in, and let's get these bad boys out of here!
Huh. Not too shabby.
Mermaid is having her special snack now. She just loves Nutella with her whole mermaid heart. Oh no! It's getting all over her pristine white shirt. Trying to get it off, she only makes it worse. It's spreading everywhere. Ooh, she has an idea. All she needs is this man's white sock. And now she'll place it over this half-cut plastic bottle. Just like that. Now, add the different color dyes. We've got yellow, red, blue, and green. Dap it in soap and you've got all different kinds of beautiful soap bubbles. Watch that tie-dye foam grow. Now Mermaid can have her dirty shirt all tie-dyed. Remove the foam and it's the most beautiful tie-dye swirl you've ever seen.
Wow.
Oh no! Mermaid spotted pus growing on her hand. She's going to have to squeeze that pimple real hard to get it to pop.
Yuck! I know! I can collect the yellow goop back into my syringe!
Now Mermaid can fill her poppet with yellow color. Drip, drip, drip. Add all the paints to the poppets. So beautiful and fun! Mermaid is proud of her work. She'll fan the liquid paint so they can try. Nice! Now she can add the little poppets to the neck in a color line. So pretty!
Love!
Now Mermaid is checking out her belly button. Right now it's super filthy and dirty. So much brown goop, it's getting all over her fingers. Enter the electric toothbrush. This will surely clean up her pretty nails in no time. The power of the electric toothbrush is unstoppable! Her nails are all clean now, but a little long. Mermaid's strong biting techniques can sure take care of that. Yay! Her nails are perfect now! Mermaid still has a beauty item to cover for her eyes. Her lashes! This mascara can help, but oh no! The tube is run dry. Instead, Mermaid has to DIY with her Barbie doll. She can cut off the doll's hair and then glue it to her eyelashes. Looks a bit long. Whoa! She'll snip and snap until it looks just right. And then curl them with an eyelash curler. Wow, they look so big and luscious now. I'm so happy with my new look. But what about my hair? Hair sparkles? I can use this bling bling hair sparkle to spruce up my do. Bop, 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 boop, 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 beep, beep. Wow, now Mermaid's hair is so pretty with little gemstones. What a beautiful sea look. She's ready to now show the world her beauty and grace. I want to kiss you now.
Well, now I don't want you.
Oh man, what if I was a merman too? The two have fallen in love. Kissy kiss.
What's in here? Waxing strips? Wow! I can use these to get rid of my mustache. Boop. Boop. Breathe in and out. Phew! Oh wow! What did I find? Cute frog. If I kiss him, will he turn into a prince? No prince. Wait, what the heck? Are these pimples on my face? I can pop them all! I've got all these colors on my face now! So cool! I can use my face to paint around this cute little guy! Wow! So pretty! Ooh, let me swipe that! Thank you! There! Now I have this beautiful phone case! Hello? Yes! 5 stars it is!
Let's get those clothes off. Oh boy, looks like we got a stinker over here. That's quite a bit of hair. Let's fix that. This is the job for hair removal spray.
Ooh, this is awesome! The perfect beauty tool for my hairy situation.
Let's get that spray on real good. Hold nothing back. And moment of truth. It works! No more stinky pits over here.
Yay! Time for the next step. Makeup. Boop, boop. Huh, how does it work? Oh, now we're talking. Squirt! Now let's rub this all over. Cheeks, forehead, everything. Now I need this pillow to wipe the excess. Ta-da! I feel so… Achoo! Oh boy, let's get some boogies. Let's see, what can we do to them? Boom! Look at this giant glop! I can't wait to have fun with this! I know, let's add some aloe soothing gel to the mix. Squirt! This is perfect! We've got a real slime party now! Let's mix this up real good! Time for Barbie's face mask! Ain't it cute? Get ready for some self-care, Barbie! Don't forget the kiwi! Don't mind if I take a breather either! So relaxing! Ding ding ding! You're ready too, Barbie! Look at your some work! Let's see what we have to work with. The perfect floss! Dig around in there, get it good! Oh boy, there's so much food that's been stuck! It's like a whole parade of different treats! Ooh, a tasty bite! Yum yum! Lunch is served! What's this? Squirt the toothpaste! This brush can make everything better! Gurgle, gurgle, gurgle! Nice! Now I have perfect teeth!
Wait, hold the phone!
Why is my breath so nasty? Looks like I have quite a bit of tongue cleaning to do. This tongue cleaner should help me out.
Open wide! Really scrape that food off. There you go. Perfection!
Yay! I just love presents! What can I do with this? I know! That's what a glue gun is for! And colorful cotton balls! Now the shirt is more like it! And let's see what I have here! Some tricks up my ear! These colorful Q-tips can help us see the best color lipstick! Rainbow Shazam! Ruby lips for the Queen of Bliss! Oof! What a zinger! Better press it hard! Ugh, this is always the toughest part. What can I do now? Ooh, the beauty box might have an answer. Nice. Pimple patches can do the trick. Let me place them all over my zits. Rip. Ooh, this is amazing. I have such smooth skin.
For some eyeliner! Nice! That's not easy to apply. So uneven and thick. This isn't for the weak of heart, that's for sure. Let's use the rim of an eyelash curler. It provides the perfect outline of how the eyeliner should go. Woohoo! Filling this in for both eyes is so much easier now. Now that we have eyeliner, we can do a beautiful eyeshadow. Mascara time! Oh no, it looks like there's a glitch. This mascara is as old as time. Cobwebs and spiders live here now. That's okay. Check out these gorgeous fake lashes. Let's take one pair out for a spin.
OMG, these are absolutely fabulous! I feel like a beautiful…
Let's do something about this unibrow. Wednesday is using tweezers to get rid of some of this face hair. Look how much there is. Now I want to take care of your teeth, Barbie. Open wide. Brushy, brush, brush. Don't need that anymore. Barbie's just about ready to show off her new teeth.
They're so clean, they're sparkling.
That's so bright, I need my sunglasses.
Ooh, check my outfit out. I have rainbow colors everywhere. Hee hee. Leave warts to the witches. What's next? Look at this. Such a firm butt pad. Let's slide this on. Nice. What a great feel and look. It's so big and plump, I can do anything. Watch out, world. Oops. Maybe I should get this thing insured.